Alright guys, so I'm going to see if this works. We have Nick's sneakers. He wore these when he was in Thailand. They said it was his most comfortable sneak, so we took them. White, not the greatest thing for when you're going to be walking and hiking. These are my white sneakers, and I have a little bit of stain at the toes. This, I love, absolutely love these sneakers. They're so beat. I should just buy new ones, but they don't make them anymore. We're going to just see if we can whiten them up. This one I think I can just throw in the wash. This one I just want to do a little pre-treat here, and then this one just kind of needs a pre-treat all over. I'll show you what we're going to use. We're going to try toothpaste. I want to use this one because it has the peroxide and baking soda in it already, but I think it might be a gel. We're going to have to open it and find out. It says toothpaste, but that's giving me gel. If it's a gel, we can't use that. What we'll do is we'll take a little bit of this on a plate, mix it with some baking soda, scrub that in, and we'll see if it works. So let's get started. Okay, guys, laces out. I don't know if anybody would pick up on that movie quote. If you do, leave a comment down below. That's like one of the movies, if I see it on as I'm scrolling, I need to stop and watch it because I just absolutely love it. But moving on, we're going to mix up the toothpaste with the baking soda. I'm just going to use a plastic spoon, and then I'm just going to use that to put it on the spots that I want to pre-treat. I was looking up ways to whiten sneakers, and this was one that came up. Toothpaste was one, peroxide, Dawn dish soap. So I figured I'd go with what I have on hand, which was the toothpaste and the baking soda. And I think every Wednesday I'm going to try and do a series where I see stuff on the internet and actually see if it works. Because I'm going to tell you, honestly, if it works or not. You guys can tell me as you watch if you think this worked. I personally, I think it worked. I actually like the way that it came out. Okay, so now the mixture's been sitting on the sneaks probably about an hour, maybe a little less than an hour. I'm just going to come in with a soft brush. I got this brush from the dollar store and some warm water, and I'm just going to kind of scrub the mixture, the toothpaste and the baking soda, a little deeper into the fabric.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. There's another side of you trying to break through, able to tell the truth. No one else can see you like I do.
Okay, so they've been sitting for a little bit. I'm just going to throw them in the washing machine. I think the towel helped with how loud it was in the machine with these clunking.
Baby, I can tell it's just for sure. Every line designed to let me know.
Okay, so I'm going to wash the sneakers with a little bit of OxiClean, and I'm just going to do it on warm water because I don't want the glue in the sneakers to get weird, and like especially where the toe is, where the sole comes up, I don't want that to separate. So I think doing it on warm instead of hot might prevent that. And then I'm just going to grab some disinfectant wipes and just wipe down my washer here. I got the toothpaste and baking soda mixture all over the place, including all over the front of my shirt when I was scrubbing down the sneakers. So that'll be the next thing in the wash.
When we are together, you're afraid to hold my hand, trying to understand. What if
So far, right out of the washer, I like what I'm seeing. There is a little spot here I could have worked on a little more, which I will, but I will show you a little picture-in-picture of where we started. And considering where we started to where they are now, right out of the washer, I'm liking it. It's looking good. I didn't want to have to get a new pair of sneakers because they are fairly new. And my sneakers here, the Nikes, I love these sneakers, so I just wanted to keep them. They're very comfortable. I don't wear them often, just in the summertime, but they're looking pretty good. I put them out in the sun the next day because by the time I was done, it was already dark. So I figured the next day I'd put them out in the sun, try and get them a little sun bleached. I heard that works really well for white sneakers, and I'm liking it. And my kicks that I'm wearing that I didn't even do the pre-treat on are looking good. So I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.